Chef here. So I got this awesome fresh basil. Some of it's flowering. Got some sun leaves, some medium leaves, small leaves. And this time of year we got a lot of basil going on in the gardens. So I thought I'd share some tips with you. Of course, we're chopping up the basil as needed. Oh yeah. You can see here I'm using an 8-inch chef knife. 10-inch works good as well. Rocking motion. Chop it up kind of medium fine, turning it several times. At this point, I'm using some of the fresh basil in pasta. Some of the basil goes on pizza. And remaining basil I put on a stainless steel tray and dry it out in the sun. Ooh, look at that pizza. Yeah, oh, the fresh basil. Now it's amazing pizza. Yeah, you gotta try this. Trust me. Uh-huh. It's gonna be good. Oh, and the leftover basil dried out in the sunshine. This gets crumbled slightly. Put into some containers. And then we have basil when cold weather comes. Winter's here, and you still have full flavor from this dried basil. Way better than any you can buy. Please like, share, subscribe. Here is a finished mushroom appetizer. This is Appalachian red oak with a clear coat of food-safe varnish. This is made in America. This is the best butcher block and desk surface, in my opinion. Countertops, islands, you name it. It's beautiful. Red oak is more porous and it will accept stain a little bit more. This is the same thing here, except this one is mineral oil finished. And then we're going to make it look like this. This is dark American walnut. Same deal, made in America, full-length strips, food-safe glue, perfectly flat, perfectly square. Yeah, really, really nice. So stay tuned with me, and I'm gonna be back and show you a few tips here.